Well, let's find out if this works. We've been having trouble with this thing, so I ended up cutting the tailpipe off at the muffler because it seems like it's got too much back pressure to do anything. So I keep stalling out the engine, and it does it with any carburetor we put it in there. So anyway, we're going to try this out, see if it works, but it's going to be real loud. It won't go beyond an idle, and it just really, that's what it sounds like without a muffler in it. But it's still not running right. There's something wrong. Okay, that's it for now.